So we're going to start out, make sure that you're in the bot bank. That's this button right here. And we're going to go to our Coinbase commands. And we're going to drag over config Coinbase. Now it's asking us for the API key, the API secret, and the passphrase. So let's look at how to get those. So we're going to go to Chrome, and I'm on pro.coinbase.com. Alright, now I'm going to go to my account dropdown over in the upper right corner, and we're going to go to API. So we're going to click New API Key. Let's go ahead and enter the name UBot Studio. For permissions for all of the commands to work, we're going to have to do view, trade, and transfer. Okay, now we have this passphrase. We're going to go ahead and copy that, go back to UBot Studio, and we're going to put in the passphrase. Now let's go back to Coinbase, scroll to the bottom here, and select Create API Key. And now it's asking for my two-step verification from my Authenticator app. I use Google Authenticator, and I'll say Add an API Key. And it'll take me to this page where it gives me my API secret. And I'll copy that, go back to UBot Studio, enter it in the API secret field, then go back to Coinbase one more time. We can close this. And then the last thing we need is this key right here. Click to copy it, go back to UBot Studio, and put it in the API key field. Finally, we can click the OK button. And now Coinbase is configured and ready to use. But just to make sure, let's see if we can check our balance. So I'm going to throw in an alert command. We're going to drag over get Coinbase balance, and it's going to ask me for the currency that I want the balance for. We're going to look at Bitcoin, which is BTC. If I click OK on the bottom one, then click OK for everything else. And now let's run this and see if it works. And there it is. That's my Bitcoin balance, and that confirms that it correctly connected to Coinbase and was able to access the API. In our upcoming videos, I'm going to go through each one of these commands and functions one by one to show you how to use them and what they do. Thanks for watching. See you next time.